Do you have a dime from 1950 that's worth a lot of money? In this video, I'm going to tell you everything that you need to know about your 1950 dime to see if it's worth a ton of money. So let's hop right into it. This coin right here sold for $16,800, and here's why. So very quickly, you're going to notice how shiny and lustrous this coin is. That's because this is a proof coin. Now, proof coins are different than normally issued coins due to the shiny luster and mirror finish that the backdrop or field of the coin has. I will show you a quick comparison between a business strike and a proof coin. Essentially, proof coins are nearly impossible to find out in circulation or pocket change, but you do have a higher probability of finding them in a collection than you do getting change back at the store. It's important to note that the highest achievable grade in grading is 70, and this coin is only 1 point away from the perfect grade of 70 at the 69 grade. This coin was graded by NGC at a proof 69, and it sold for $16,800. So if you have a coin that looks like this, make sure you hold on to it, keep it safe, because you could have a coin worth a ton of money. The Coin and Currency Mastermind class is coming soon. Click the link below to join the waitlist, and I'll see you inside.